Hi guys, and welcome to our channel, and we are here to do an unboxing of this water floss made by Pik. This is a water floss Ion Professional. I bought this rechargeable type of Pik flosser instead of the one with cable because we don't have outlet in our bathroom or toilet. This is a little bit compact than the wired one. Let's start by opening this box. So I bought this from Amazon. And when I checked the Amazon Canada, the price is around $200. And then I decided to check also the Amazon USA or Amazon.com. The price there is in US dollar, but when I pay it using the Canadian conversion, it only cost around $100 plus the discount. So I only paid $88 Canadian dollars already. So I don't know how they price the products, maybe by demand, but compared to US to Canada, it's wise to buy it from Amazon.com instead of Amazon.ca. And the delivery time is around 2 weeks. Okay, so what's inside is this. Oops. Okay, user manual. Important to read this. Sometimes I don't read it. And then this one is a congratulatory card. And you have to register. Maybe it has something to do with the warranty. And there's a quick start guide. So first, fully charge it before using. There's a priming the unit before using or releasing all the air from the line. And then there's adjusting the preset that you want to use or the pressure. And then use the water flosser properly. There's a drawing here, or just watching the YouTube. There's a lot of way on how to use the water flosser. So let's open this, and here it is. Very small but compact, still portable. The capacity of this one is 591 ml, 20 ounces. This capacity can be used in 90 seconds straight of using the water floss. We also have this plastic container, and then a proprietary charger. This is a USB, but at the other end it's a magnetic charger. Oh, they have this power block, so always use the provided charger kit. This is universal volt, so you can see here 100 to 240 volts, so anywhere you go it will work. And let's open this. This is the cover inside. Here are the attachments. Then let's open this one. Alright. These two are classic jet tips for general use, and this one is a Pik pocket. So there's an advice that this should be used with the lowest pressure setting. You see here, very small. I don't know if you can see, but it's very small hole at the end compared to this regular Pik. It's like flexible rubber end, and this is used for periodontal pockets. This attachment, and this is a Implant Denture Tip. This one with the brush is a black seeker. This is also good for bridges and crowns. So there's at the end there's a brush and there's a hole. Okay, so number one is this orthodontic tip. So this is for general use also, and specialized on braces. So it's like a brush. Oh, I don't know if you can see, there's a brush. This tip is a brush, and still the same, and also the same hole like a classic jet. And this one is the tongue cleaner. So there's also a hole here where the water will come out, but then you have to scrape off the dirt on your tongue. So it fits here in the box provided. Let's now discuss this one. So this is the cover, and this is your wand or actual. This is your wand or actual flosser. So use this tip. So it can be rotate, but I don't know if I can use it. It's hard. Anyway, you can maneuver this one. So to eject is when you push up, you can remove the flosser tip. And there's a power here. Okay. And then what's nice is this is magnetic. Good enough length, maybe around 1.5 foot. And control it back. And this is magnetic, as I've said. Same with the charger. And on the side, the strength level or the pressure level, it's 1 to 10 actually. The power is on top. Okay. And then you can remove this water reservoir. You can bring this to your water tap. No need to use distilled water. Okay. And let's fill it up. There's no level or warning of how high you should fill this up, so I think it's fine. The water will come out here and go inside the machine. Let's close this. This can be removed, all of it, but no need to do that. All you have to do is half of it. So same like the one that is not rechargeable, it also have 10 settings. And let's say you go out and you want to bring this, let's say in a campsite, you want to use this. It's big, but still you can bring this without looking for outlet. Aside from that, my dentist advises to use this because of my crown. When my dentist checked the crown maybe around 1 month ago, she said that underneath my crown have a buildup of plaque. Actually, I'm afraid of using a floss on that part because I'm afraid that it will come off when I use it. So she said it will not happen, but if it happened, it means something's wrong with your crown. And she taught me how to use the floss on that part of my teeth crown. So when I floss it, no need to pull it up, just slide it out. So that will make me comfortable of using the floss and not worried about the crown being detached. But still, she still insists for me using this one, water floss. And she said Pik is a nice brand. Let's try to fill this with water and test some of this attachment. Right, I'm back, and let's see how this works. Okay, let's try this first, the classic one. Okay, turn this on and see. Now it's priming. Oh, oh yeah. That's number 2 only. And let's go to number 10. Whoa! Whoa! Wow! That was strong. Wow! I'm surprised. It's my first time to see this or to have a water floss. And let's try this tongue cleaner. Let's try number 6. Okay. Alright. Not bad. Okay, pickpocket. I can see this is scary. How to use this? Okay. I don't want to use the... Okay, let's try the high setting number 10. Woo! How about Orthodontic Tip, which is great for braces. So, 6 only. Wow, number 6. Let's see number 10. Setting number 10. Wow. Let's try this block seeker that have three set of brushes. And this is good for implants, crowns, bridges, retainers, and also general use. So number 10. Ah, yeah. Wow. And then last one is this Implant Denture Tip. Same as the classic jet tip, but it's just a J or J tip. Number 10. Woo! Okay, the table is already wet. And alright, I'm also wet. So yep, that's it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and brush your teeth and also floss.